Hello, my name is Helen and I'm one of the tutors here on the graphic design course at CDCFE or Coláiste Dhúlaigh College of Further Education. So to give you a quick introduction to what we do on the course. So it's 3 years, but those are broken up into 2 different sections. So we start with year 1, which is an introduction, like a foundation in graphic design. We have really small classes, no more than 25 students. We like to keep it lower than that, but we definitely wouldn't go above 25. It's usually 4 days a week, so you have one day as a day where you can work on your own projects. We've lots of student supports in Coláiste Dhúlaigh. And some of the work that we would do, so you'd see in the lovely images here on the right, we do poster design, icons and pictograms, we do logos, stationery, so that's things like business cards, some website design, magazine, typography, so dealing with letter forms, lots of lovely image making techniques as well, so drawing, painting, printmaking, digital photography. We also do some work experience, and obviously if conditions allow, we put on a group exhibition of the students' work every year. And then we have years 2 as well, 2 and 3. So as I said, it's a 3-year course, but it is broken into 2 parts. So after year 1, you will have a QQI level 5 portfolio in graphic design. You can take that and you can apply to different colleges if you want to, or if you want, you can stay in Coláiste Dhúlaigh and you can do years 2 and 3, which is a BTEC HND, so that's a BTEC Higher National Diploma in Graphic Design. So it's the equivalent of level 6 in Ireland. Then there's an optional year. We have a degree, a level 8 degree, an honours degree in CDCFE in animation. So if you want to, graphic design does lend itself to a certain amount of animation. We do motion graphics on the course. So you can go in to the animation degree. Now, obviously you have to apply and do an interview. And if you get accepted, you do 1 year top up and you'll have a degree in animation. We also have progression to other universities and ITs. So years 2 and 3, the diploma course, we build on those foundations that you've learned in the first year. We do lots of live projects. Live projects are ones where we get people from industry. They're real projects, and a lot of the time those projects are actually used out in the real world. And we do industry workshops, so we do get speakers in from lots of different areas to work with the students and present to the students. At the end of the course, we do a big graduate exhibition, and it's usually in a big location in town. Loads of people are invited, and it's a really great night to finish off your course. Obviously, the graduate exhibition and the workshops are dependent on whether conditions allow. In this course, we do lots of things like poster design, booklets, magazines, we do website design, and we teach you how to build a website as well. We do UI UX, which is interface design. So let's say a mobile app on your phone, how do you do the graphics for that? Or the images that you see on a website. We do some branding, infographics, we do lots of lovely illustration work, which you can see here on the right hand side. Loads of fabulous image making done by the students. We do printmaking, packaging, photography, loads of other things on top of that. So progression routes. After your QQI, you can apply directly to TU Dublin, NCAD, IADT, and basically any university or IT nationally and internationally as well. You would get into the first year of these programs with your QQI course. If you stay and you do the diploma, you can progress into a higher level on these courses. So year 3, possibly in TU Dublin, year 2 in NCAD, year 3 in IADT, and then obviously there's the top-up degree that we have in animation in Coláiste Dhúlaigh as well, which will be just 1 extra year. Now obviously these progression routes are dependent on interview, on portfolio and points, but we do have a good reputation with all of these colleges, and they know our students and they know our work. Obviously there's international and national universities as well that you can apply to. So where do our students work? What happens when you become a graphic designer? So the logos across the top here, the Facebook, all the way down to Vanderbilt, these are some of the companies that our students work in. And these are huge, national and internationally recognized companies. And they're doing so well working in these companies. The logos at the bottom, all the grey logos, so One Strong Arm all the way across to the JS, that's Jackie Sheridan's logo. So these are all students. Many of them choose when they finish in their degree or in their diploma, they set up their own companies and their own design studios, and these are just some of those. And again, these students of ours are hugely successful in the world of design. And to give you an idea of some of the work that our students have done, so this is work, professional work that our students have designed since they left college. Everything from album artwork, for Ed Sheeran. We have Aoife Dooley with her Dublin Hun. She's doing animation work with RTE and she's published a number of books. We have Jackie Sheridan's work at the bottom middle there. She does a lot of editorial and magazine design. The top left is lovely letterpress work, typography and business card work done the old-fashioned way by one of our students. He owns a company called One Strong Arm. And the website in the middle is one of our students works for the Science Gallery. Well, she used to work for the Science Gallery in Dublin. She's since set up her own business on her own. She does fabulous exhibition design and website design. So the world is your oyster when you do graphic design. I think it's a great course and a great subject to study if you know you're a designer, but you're not a fine artist. You know that you don't want to, paint canvases or make pieces of sculpture, or maybe you're not into that end of design and art. But it does allow you to do so many things. It's very, very broad. So I hope there's enough information there all about our course, and we're looking forward to meeting you when you start.